I want to show you something. 920,000 people search for how to pose for photos every single week. That's not a niche. That's a massive reoccurring problem. Now, watch what happens when you search the App Store for a posing coach app. Nothing. Generic camera apps, filter tools, zero dedicated apps for solving this. That's the gap, and that's why I built PosePal. Here's how I think about finding app ideas. I'm not trying to invent something new. I'm looking for a problem people are already searching for answers to, and then checking whether the App Store has actually solved it. 920K weekly searches with zero dedicated apps is about as clear as a signal as you're going to get. So I opened Superapp AI and started building. My first prompt described the full app. 4 tabs, onboarding flow, design direction, clean, friendly, approachable. Not clinical. I wanted this to feel like a coach, not a medical tool. That gave me the entire app shell in one shot with real native Swift code, not a web wrapper, an actual iOS app that you can publish straight to the App Store. Then I built each screen with separate prompts. Prompt 2, onboarding. 3 screens. The tagline is a use case selector, so the app knows if you're shooting solo, couples, groups, or content, and a your coach is ready closer. Prompt 3, the analyze screen. This is the core feature, and here's exactly how it works under the hood. You upload a photo, the app compresses it and sends it to a Supabase edge function. That passes it to GPT-4o Vision on the server side. Then OpenAI analyzes the image and returns a structured JSON response, a score from 0 to 100, 3 specific coaching tips, each with a confidence rating. The API key never touches your phone. It lives as a secret on Supabase's servers. That's the right way to build this. Prompt 4 is the profile tab. Session history, average score, best score, and a trends chart of your last 10 sessions so that users can actually track improvement. Prompt 5 was a pose library. 25 curated poses across 6 categories, filterable by category and difficulty with live search. 5 prompts, and I got a full working app. That's pretty freaking crazy. Here's what it looks like. The home screen shows your recent sessions and a daily posting tip that rotates every day of the week. The Analyze tab, you upload a photo, you get a score, the ring animates in a color code, mint for 90 and above, gold for 75 to 85, lavender below that. 3 tip cards expand with confidence bars showing how certain the AI is about each fix. Save it. Share a scorecard on social media, or try again. The pose library is 25 poses in a 2-column grid. Filter, search, tap any card for the full coaching detail. Profile tab tracks everything, total sessions, average score, best score, trends chart. Tap any in the past session to pull up the full result. Everything except the AI call runs fully offline, and it's all local on your device. So here is what I want you to take away from this. The build is the easy part now. Superapp AI handles the code, GPT-4o handles the AI, and Supabase handles the backend. What actually matters is finding the right gap, a real problem with real search volume and no solution in the App Store. PosePal is one example. There are hundreds of more sitting in plain sight. The exact prompts that I used for every screen are in the description below. Try it yourself, extend it, take it further than what I did, and share them in the comments below. I would love to see what y'all do with it. Subscribe to MakerThrive for more builds like this, and I'll see y'all in the next one.